How to sell Monopoly Go stickers. This is a step-by-step guide so you can be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and get in contact with the person that you want to sell your stickers with. For example, if you have contact them on your Facebook, you can just go ahead and tell them that you want to add them as friends here on Monopoly Go. Now after adding them as a friend, you can now go ahead and navigate through the album section below our screen right here. And basically inside, you can just go ahead and proceed to the album that you have a duplicate sticker of. Now this is really important. You cannot go ahead and sell stickers that doesn't have a duplicate sticker. So if we go ahead and click on one of the albums, you could just go ahead and see a +1 icon just below your sticker right here. If you don't have that +1 icon, it means that you cannot go ahead and sell this specific sticker. Basically, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the sticker right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the send to friend button. You can just go ahead and send that specific sticker to that specific Facebook friend that you are selling your sticker with, and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.